ICOMA Tatamel bike is a foldable electric bike that is designed for portability and convenience. It is a full-sized bike that can be folded down to a compact size, making it easy to store and transport. Price: 498,000 Japanese yen, approximately $4,600. Type: Class 1 moped, can be driven with a standard driver's license. Weight: 63 kilograms, 139 pounds. Maximum speed: less than over equal to 40 kilometers per hour, 25 miles per hour. Cruising range: less than over equal to 30 kilometers, 18.6 miles on a full charge. Suspension: front and rear. Wheels: front 10 inches, rear 6.5 inches. Motor: rated output 600 W, maximum output 2000 W. Battery: lithium iron phosphate Ha. Edge desk: this is an ergonomic desk designed to improve posture by encouraging a kneeling position. Here are some details. Features: adjustable height and tilt, portable, foldable, padded cushions for comfort. Specifications: max weight capacity, user plus chair 250 pounds. Max weight capacity, desktop 15 pounds. Desktop size, 30 inches by 20 inches. Height adjustment range, 26 inch, 31, from the floor. Folds to 40 inches by 20 inches by 7 inches. Good for people looking to improve posture and avoid back pain while using a laptop or tablet. Modern Edge Desk by Caracol: this is a stylish and contemporary desk with a mix of materials. Here are some details. Features: single drawer with Caracasta marble front, metal support foot, figured eucalyptus wood frame. EVAstream Move is a wireless swimming machine designed to turn any pool into a personal training facility. It's a great option for those who want to improve their swimming technique, get a full-body workout, or simply enjoy a refreshing swim in place. Wireless and portable, the EVAstream Move is battery-powered and can be easily moved by one person. This means you can use it anywhere in your pool, and you don't need to worry about any electrical wiring. Powerful current: the EVAstream Move generates a powerful current of water that allows you to swim in place, even in a small pool. The water flow is also designed to target your torso rather than your head, so you can swim comfortably for extended periods. Adjustable intensity: you can adjust the intensity of the current to match your fitness level. The EVAstream Move also comes with a variety of pre-programmed workouts that you can choose from. Easy to use, the EVAstream Move is controlled by a web app that you can access on your smartphone or tablet. This app allows you to track your workout progress. Menteebot is a humanoid AI robot designed to be a helpful companion in both homes and warehouses. Household assistant: Menteebot can handle various household chores like setting the table, cleaning up after meals, and handling laundry. Warehouse automation: it can efficiently locate, retrieve, and transport objects in warehouses, carrying loads up to 25 kilograms, 55 pounds. Learning and adaptability: Menteebot can learn new tasks through verbal instructions and visual imitation. Navigation: it can navigate complex environments using real-time 3D mapping and advanced obstacle avoidance. Dexterity: Menteebot's hands have a full range of motion and can perform delicate tasks requiring precision. Communication: it understands natural language commands, making interaction easy. Increased efficiency: Menteebot can automate tasks, freeing up human time for other activities. Reduced strain: it can handle physically demanding chores. Nissan ProPILOT chair is a concept chair designed by Nissan to eliminate the tedium of waiting in lines. It was inspired by their ProPILOT driver assistance system found in some Nissan vehicles. The ProPILOT chair uses embedded cameras to detect and follow the chair in front of it. It maintains a safe distance and travels along a set path, similar to how the ProPILOT system in cars keeps a distance from the car ahead and centers the vehicle in its lane. Eliminates the need to stand in line, which can be tiring and uncomfortable, especially for long waits. Potentially improve social distancing as people don't have to stand close together. The Nissan ProPILOT chair was never intended for mass production, but rather to showcase Nissan's intelligent mobility vision for a future where technology seamlessly integrates into everyday life. In 2017, a limited number of ProPILOT chairs were trialed at restaurants in Japan. DREAMLUX Luminous fabric is a unique and innovative textile that integrates fiber optics into the fabric itself. This creates a fabric that can light up, adding a new dimension to fashion, design, and technology. Ultra-thin optical fibers are woven directly into the fabric. These fibers are specially treated to emit light along their entire length. The fibers are then connected to a light source, typically LEDs, which are embedded in the edges of the fabric. Customization: DREAMLUX offers a variety of colors, textures, and designs for their luminous fabrics. The fabrics can also be custom-made to meet specific project requirements. Applications: DREAMLUX fabrics have a wide range of applications, including fashion, luminous clothing and accessories; interior design, luminous ceilings, walls, and curtains; art installations, creating unique and eye-catching art pieces. GoodBytz is a German food tech startup aiming to revolutionize the food industry through robotic kitchen assistants and software tools. Robotic kitchen assistants: these are modular, all-in-one kitchen robots designed to help chefs and kitchens with various tasks. They can prepare meals by measuring ingredients, filling bowls, and placing toppings, handle a wide variety of cuisines and dishes, operate with minimal supervision, requiring one staff member to refill ingredients. Software platform: this software provides tools for menu creation and customization, develop new dishes and adapt existing ones for robotic preparation. Workflow optimization: streamline kitchen operations and improve efficiency. Data-driven insights: gain insights into procurement, cooking, logistics, and customer behavior to optimize your business. Scalability: expand your food service business with minimal Airbus Racer is an experimental high-speed compound helicopter developed by Airbus Helicopters. It is based on the Eurocopter X Superscript 3 concept aircraft. The Racer is designed to cruise at speeds of up to 400 km per hour, 250 miles per hour, which is significantly faster than conventional helicopters. It also aims for a 25% reduction in operating costs per kilometer compared to traditional helicopters. The Racer first flew on April 25, 2024, marking a significant milestone in the development of high-speed helicopters. The aircraft is part of the European Clean Sky 2 research project, which is a collaboration between industry and government to develop new technologies for cleaner and more efficient aircraft. The Racer's design features a number of innovations that help it achieve its high speed and low operating costs. These innovations include a pusher propeller located at the rear of the fuselage, Exeger Powerfoyle is a type of solar cell technology designed to be integrated into consumer electronics. Here's a breakdown of its key features. Function: Powerfoyle converts light, both indoors and outdoors, into clean electrical energy to power your devices. Benefits: eliminates the need for disposable batteries, reducing electronic waste. Provides a constant trickle charge, potentially reducing battery anxiety. Made with non-toxic materials. Applications: due to its flexible and customizable design, Powerfoyle can be incorporated into various electronics, including headphones, e.g., Urbanista Los Angeles headphones; portable speakers, e.g., Urbanista Malibu speaker; sports headphones, e.g., Adidas RPT-02 SOL. Other potential applications include remote controls, trackers, and various Internet of Things (IoT) devices. VabsRider is a revolutionary bicycle seat designed by EVAstream that promises a more comfortable and pain-free cycling experience. Unlike traditional static bike seats, VabsRider features a unique split-seat design that moves dynamically with your body as you pedal. Dynamic design: the two split seat pans move independently, mimicking the natural rotation of your hips during pedaling. This innovative design is said to alleviate pressure on your sit bones, a common cause of discomfort on traditional bike seats. Improved comfort. By distributing pressure more evenly across the glutes and femurs, VabsRider aims to reduce pain and numbness, allowing you to ride for longer distances with greater comfort. First of its kind, VabsRider claims to be the world's first virtual axis bicycle seat, offering a whole new approach to cycling comfort availability. While information about purchasing VabsRider is available on the Ataraxy BSC website, it's unclear if the seat is widely available yet. Drinking water is essential for human survival and good health. Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and we need water to function properly. Water is involved in many bodily functions, including regulating body temperature, lubricating joints, delivering oxygen to cells, removing waste products from the body, maintaining healthy skin. There is no one-size-fits-all answer to how much water you should drink each day. However, most health experts recommend drinking 8 8-ounce, 237 milliliter glasses of water per day. This is often referred to as the 8x8 rule. However, your individual needs may vary depending on your age, activity level, climate, and overall health. Feeling thirsty, dry mouth, urinating less often than usual, dark-colored urine, fatigue, headache, dizziness. If you experience any of these symptoms, it is important to drink plenty of fluids. You can also get fluids from other sources. Ocean Builder's SeaPod is a concept for a futuristic, floating home designed for sustainable living on the ocean. The company positions it as an eco-friendly alternative to traditional waterfront property. The SeaPod has a spherical design made from steel and concrete, with a fiberglass exterior. It features expansive windows for panoramic views of the surrounding water. The living space is spread over 3 half-floors, offering enough room for 2 residents to live comfortably. There's also a small outdoor patio and a roof deck for enjoying the outdoors. Sustainable design. The SeaPod is designed to be environmentally friendly. It features solar panels on the roof to generate clean electricity, and a system to collect rainwater.